Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw the alphabet while we learn Spanish. Let's go with A.
A.
Let's go with B.
B.
Let's go with C.
C.
Now the D.
D.
Now the E.
E.
Let's go with F.
F.
Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Let's go with orange. That is said, naranja. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. Let's go with the blue color. That is said, azul. We use purple. Morado.
G. H. I. E. J. K. L. M. N.
This letter is not used in English, but it is said.
N. O. B. Q. Who. R. S. T. U. V. W.
X. Y.
Y, Y,
Z,
Z, Z.
If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!